Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing this AI Smart Glasses. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a glass or glasses that you put on, and has Bluetooth to your phone, and it is also transition with 144 language and accents. So as you can see, you just wear it and basically you can record, and it can also pick up things in your environment. So for example, it can also translate for you. And if you're wondering if this is legit or not, it has 205 ratings with 4.1 out of 5 stars. And let's read some reviews over here real quick. So as you can see, there are 5 stars. Game changer for travel and daily life. Nice smart eyeglasses, very good. This person said that it's not satisfied at all. Love the smart glasses. Amazing AI glasses, nice frames, and there's also a lot of positive comments about these. So maybe this is not for everyone. However, it does come in different frames. So as you can see, it has 800-watt camera. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Clear lens and polarized lens, and it also has the black lens translation function. So it also has different modes, as you can see. And this is the camera right here. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.